Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're going to be discussing marriage fraud, specifically in the context of U.S. immigration benefits. A brochure I got from U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement is entitled Marriage Fraud is a Federal Crime, and it's regarding Homeland Security investigations. Quoting directly, types of marriage fraud. A U.S. citizen is paid or asked to perform a favor to marry a foreign national already residing in the United States. Mail order marriages, where either the U.S. citizen or alien knows it is a fraud, and a foreign national defrauds a U.S. citizen who believes the marriage is legitimate. Penalties. An individual will be charged with marriage fraud if they entered into a marriage for the purpose of evading U.S. immigration laws. This felony offense carries a prison sentence of up to 5 years and a fine of up to $250,000, and applies to both foreign nationals and U.S. citizens who perpetrate this crime. This is a brochure, like I said, it's called Marriage Fraud is a Federal Crime. It's from U.S. Immigration Customs Enforcement. Looks like it was published June 2016. I'm sure this can be found online, and there's further information in there. The thing I want to go through on this is, first of all, it was noted that the types of marriage fraud. Secondly, it was detailed in there the penalties for marriage fraud in an American immigration context, and they are significant, to say the least. 5 years in prison is significant by anyone's measure. So what's the point in all of this? Well, first of all, this shouldn't be done. Don't use marriage just to get immigration benefits. It's never a good idea. Even in a non-fraudulent context where a couple's sort of trying to decide where they stand in their relationship and things, it's never a good idea to make decisions, again, based on immigration benefits. That's the wrong reason for making decisions with respect to one's personal life, just sort of, not to give life advice, but just for lack of a better term, just on a lifestyle level. It's just not a good idea to make a long-term commitment to somebody based on being able to get a green card. And also, it could be deemed fraudulent. And depending on the context, if it's really over the top, like never seen each other before and just enter into a contractual relationship to be married in order to get an immigration benefit, the immigration apparatus in the United States is getting very, very serious about going after these kinds of things. In fact, they've even created a new investigations unit specifically tasked with denaturalizing and deporting people who it's clear, only married and became naturalized U.S. citizens, or only got married in order to become naturalized U.S. citizens. So immigration officials are taking this increasingly seriously, especially under this administration. And it seems fairly clear to me that while it wasn't ever a good idea to begin with and has always been illegal, now more than ever, it's really perilous to even mess with this kind of thing. So again, immigration fraud is a serious crime. It's a felony with a lot of penalties associated with it. And in the end, it can also result in exactly the opposite of what the individual was seeking, which is deportation and being barred from ever re-entering the United States again. So for that reason, those who are watching this video, I hope those who are watching this video take away the fact that marriage fraud is serious stuff, and it's becoming increasingly clear that the administration is interested in enforcing the laws on it and the laws against such activities.